Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss remaining problems of 7-point exercise. I have this question, integration of to the power of 4 dx. Now consider sine to the power of 4x is equals to, only consider sine to the power of 4x. Sine power 4 can be written as sine square x whole to the power of 2. So here sine square x we have formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So I am substituting here. So 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. So a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I am using here a square plus b square minus 2ab by 2 2 is a 4. From here we have 1 by 4, 1 plus cos square 2x. In the place of x we have 2x, so it will become 2 2 is a 4, 4x. Hence I can write 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. So I can write it as 1 by 4, 2 LCM, 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 2 2 is a 4 cos 2x by 2. 4 2 is a 8, so 1 by 8. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x. So from here this is sine to the power of 4x. If I integrate that, now integration of sine to the power of 4x dx is equals to 1 by 8 integration of 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x dx. Now integrate it directly. Integration of 1 is x, or else let me write simply, simplify integration of cos 4x dx minus integration of cos 2x dx. So from here we can write it as integration of cos x dx is sin x plus c. So I am writing here 1 by 8 times of 3 integration of 1x is x plus integration of cos is sin 4x by differentiation of 4x is 4 minus 4 into integration of cos is sin 2x by differentiation of 2x is 2 plus c. That's all. This is the solution. This is the required solution. If you want to simplify, you can. Here we have a question integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x. First consider sin square x by 1 plus cos x. Here sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. So we can write this as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole square by 2 cos square x by 2. From here 2 2 is a 4 sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 cos square x by 2 cancel, 2 2 is a 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2 formula we know. Okay. 2 sin square x by 2 formula is 1 minus cos x. So 2 sin square x by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos x. So integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx can be written as integration of 1 minus cos x dx. So integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos x dx. So integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of cos is sin x plus c. That's all. This is the solution. Here we have integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. Use the formula cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. So use this formula for the numerator and denominator. Then first consider cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. So I am applying this 2 sine c plus d by 2 means 2x plus 2 alpha by 2. 2x plus 2 alpha by 2 sine 2x minus 2 alpha by 2 by same formula 2 sine x minus alpha by 2 x plus alpha by 2 sine x minus alpha by 2. So here 2 cancels, and inside if you simplify you get sine of x plus alpha and sine of x minus alpha. By denominator term we have off angle x plus alpha by 2 sine of x minus alpha by 2. We have in denominator off angle formula, use the formula. Sine A is equals to 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. So I am using here A is x plus alpha, so I can write it as 2 sine x plus alpha by 2 into cos of x plus alpha by 2 into 2 sine x minus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2 by sine of x plus alpha by 2 into sine of x minus alpha by 2. Here sine of x plus alpha by 2 cancel, x by 2 cancel, cos of sine of x minus alpha by 2 cancels. From here I can write it as 2 2s are 4 cos of x plus alpha by 2 cos of x minus alpha by 2. So I can write it as here 2 times of 2 cos of x plus alpha by 2 cos of x minus alpha by 2. So 2 cos A cos B formula is 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This is the formula I am using here. So 2 into cos of A plus B. So alpha by 2 get cancelled, x by 2 plus x plus cos of x by 2 minus x by 2 cancel alpha. So we got it this cos of 2 alpha 2x minus 2 alpha now, just a minute, 2x, okay, this is 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha is this. Now if I integrate that, cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx is equals to 2 into integration of cos x plus cos alpha dx. If I furtherly integrate that, 2 into integration of cos x dx plus cos alpha outside because that is constant 1 dx. So here 2 into integration of cos s what sin x plus x into cos alpha, that's all, plus c. This is the solution. We have this question, integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Here 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x. So if sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. If I add up together 1 plus sin 2x, so a square plus b square plus 2ab, that means sin x plus cos x whole square I can write it. So I am writing here integration of cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x, I can write sin x plus cos x whole square dx. So from here let assume t is equals to sin x plus cos x, then differentiation dt is equals to differentiation of sin x cos x, differentiation of cos x minus sin x dx. So in the place of cos x minus sin x into dx, cos x minus sin x into dx, I can substitute dt. So I can substitute here dt. So here I am substituting dt by t square. If I integrate t to the power of minus 2 dt, t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, hence I can write t is what we have, t is sin x plus cos x whole to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, hence the solution will be minus of 1 by sin x plus cos x plus c. That's all. This is the solution. Here we have integration of tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. Integration of tan cube 2x into secant 2x dx. Now we can consider tan cube 2x into secant 2x. First simplify, later on we will integrate. Okay. Now tan cube can be written as tan square 2x into tan 2x into secant 2x. Okay. Now, from here I can write 1 minus, we have one formula. We know that tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. So we are substituting that formula. Secant square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x into secant 2x. Now you can integrate. Integration of tan to the power of 3 2x into secant 2x dx is equals to integration of secant square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x secant 2x dx. Now I am integrating. Assumption now. Let t is equals to secant 2x. If I differentiate that, dt is equals to, differentiation of secant is what? Secant 2x into tan 2x. And differentiation of inside part is 2 into 2x dx. So in the place of, to bring to the left hand side, dt by 2 is equals to secant 2x into tan 2x dx. In the place of tan 2x into secant dx can be written as dt by 2. So in the place of that I am writing dt by 2. Okay. Next step, integration of t square minus 1 dt by 2. So 1 by 2 is outside, integration of t square minus 1 into dt. If I integrate that, I can write it as integration of t to the power of 3 minus by 3 minus t plus c. If I substitute what we have t, then that is the solution. T to the power of 3 2x by 3 minus secant 2x plus c. That's all. This is the solution. Here we have integration of tan to the power of 4. Tan to the power of 4 dx, consider first. Consider tan to the power of 4x. So tan to the power of can be split into tan square x into tan square x. We know from here tan square can be written as, tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. So I am writing that. So secant square x minus 1 into tan square x. Here on this secant square x minus 1 into tan square x. Now secant square x into multiply tan inside. Tan square x minus tan square x. Here again tan square replaces secant square. Secant square x into tan square x minus secant square x minus 1. From here secant square x take common. First of all multiply inside. Minus multiply inside secant square x. Minus into minus plus. So here secant square take common. Secant square x take common. Then tan square x minus 1 plus 1. Hence if I integrate, integration of tan to the power of 4 dx is equals to integration of secant square into tan square x minus 1 plus 1 into dx. So if I integrate that, integration of secant square into tan square x minus 1 dx plus integration of 1 dx. So let us assume, let t is equals to tan x. Then in the place, now differentiate, dt is equals to tan derivation is secant square x dx. That means in the place of tan square into dx, I can substitute dt. So I am substituting here dt, integration of t square minus 1 into dt plus integration 1 dx. So here t cube by 3 minus t plus 1 integration of x dx is, with respect to x we are doing x plus c. Here what we have t here, t is tan x. So tan x whole cube by 3 minus tan x plus c. That's all. This is the solution, required solution. This is the required solution. We have in this integration of 1 by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. Now here x minus a, x minus b, we have constant. Now multiply, divide with sine of x a minus b. Okay, now just multiply and divide with a minus sine of a minus b by sine of a minus b. So given question is this integration 1 by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx multiply sine of a minus b to numerator and denominator. So I am multiplying sine of a minus b by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Here 1 by sine of a minus b. So from here we can, so 1 by sine of a minus b integration of sine of, we are adding x and subtracting x in such a way that I should get in denominator angles, like denominator angles. So what I am doing here, x minus a minus x minus b. So I can add it and subtract it x, so that I rearrange that. I can write in this way by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. So 1 by sine of a minus b integration of sine of a minus b formula, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b, compound formula, compound angle formula, sine x minus b cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a sine of x minus b by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. So from here I can write it as 1 by sine of a minus b integration of, separate the terms, sine of x minus a into cos of x minus b by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx minus integration cos of x minus a into sine of x minus b by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. Same terms get cancelled, cos of x minus a, cos of x minus a cancel. Next here cos of x minus b and cos of x minus b get cancelled. 1 by sine of a minus b integration, so put a brackets here, so integration of tan of x minus a dx minus integration of tan of x minus b dx. So from here we can integrate it as 1 by sine of a minus b integration of tan is log mod secant of x minus a minus log mod secant of x minus b plus c. So log a minus log b by log a by b. So 1 by sine of a minus b can be written as into 1 by sine of a minus b into log a by b. So I am writing secant of x minus a by secant of x minus b plus c. That's all. This is the solution. Or else you can write it in terms of cos also. That is also your solution. Hence this is a solution. That's all for today.